Hi folks, today we are going to make street style white peas chaat with the ingredients which are easily available at home during the lockdown. The ingredients for Batani chaat include the main ingredient white peas. I have taken exactly 1 cup of white peas. It is also called pachi patani. I have soaked it for around 6 to 8 hours. This is 2 medium sized tomato made into puree without adding water. It is 1 big sized onion made into a fine paste without adding water. When you come to masalas, I have taken 1 tablespoon of jeera powder or cumin powder, half a tablespoon of coriander seeds powder, 1 tablespoon of chaat masala, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. You can adjust the spice level according to your taste, salt as per your taste, and some ginger garlic paste. It is about 1.5 teaspoon. These all dry spices are made at home. For the dry spices recipes, you can just ask me in comment section. I'll upload it for you. I have boiled the white peas by adding some turmeric, salt and oil, and I boiled it for about 4 whistles. It has to cook until it gets this consistency. It should get mediumly cooked. Now I took half portion of this white peas and made it into a paste without adding any sort of water. This is the water which I used for boil. This is the water which I used for boiling. Do not throw away this water because it will be good while doing the chaat. Into a saucepan or a kadai, add some oil, about 2 tablespoons. Now into this add the onion paste. And just stir it for a couple of seconds. When it is boiling, add the ginger garlic paste into it and also saute this until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste fades away. Now into this, add the tomato puree and just give it a quick stir. Now you can see the oil has separated from the tomato puree mixture. Into this I am going to add the ground paste of white peas. Into the tomato puree before itself I have added the masalas. Now give it a good stir. Earlier I have added all the spices into the chaat. Now I'm going to add the chili powder. Add chili powder according to your taste. Now give it a good stir. And also add salt accordingly. As I always say, use the rock salt. It will be good for health. So this is the chaat which is made with the ingredients which are available at home. I garnished with some onion and bhujia and some mixture. You can also garnish it with onion samosa, normal samosa. So like, share and subscribe to Bharati Foods.